Welcome to Pack It, Pitch It, Swap It, a new series by CAA where we tell you what's worth keeping, pack it, what to steer clear of, pitch it, and the better alternatives out there, swap it. I'm your host, Albert Chow, and today I'm going to give you the rundown on washing your vehicle at home. There's a lot of information out there on what products work best or are must-haves, so we're here to simplify the process and tell you once and for all what you should pack, pitch, or swap. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics of what to pack. The first item you will need, a bucket. This is a staple in any cleaning routine. Its purpose is to hold clean, soapy water, which you can dip into with cleaning cloths or a sponge. So you don't really need to get too fancy with it. Any bucket will do, just make sure to choose a size based on how much water you need it to hold. The next item that you will need to pack is a cleaning brush. There are a lot of brushes on the market, and sometimes the shape may overcomplicate their use. Something basic like this one can be really worth your while. With an extendable handle, it's easy to get those hard-to-reach spots on your car. Look for one with a microfiber cleaning head. It'll be gentle on your vehicle's paint while removing dirt and grime. Last item we recommend is car wax. Waxing is essential as the final step in a car washing routine to ensure your car's paint is protected from the elements and maintains that shine for longer. Opt for a wax with carnauba. This is an ingredient commonly found in car waxes that provides a shiny finish to a vehicle's exterior. Plus, carnauba wax doubles as a water repellent, prolonging that shine. Now, onto the items that you should pitch, the first one being dish soap. You may find that car enthusiasts on social media or public forums often recommend diluted dishwashing liquid for cars. But it's almost impossible to accurately measure the water-to-soap ratio. If it's too concentrated, it can strip the wax off your car. Definitely not worth the risk. While some tire dressing sprays claim to provide shine and even reduce the effects of UV light, a product like this isn't necessary for frequent drivers, as you'll see the effects of it disappear after a drive or two. The last item that you should do away with is any product that promises a waterless car wash. Waterless washes often require applying and working in a lot of product. If you have anything more than a layer of light dust on your vehicle, all that rubbing can cause scratches in the paint. For an efficient clean, nothing beats a classic wash with soap and water. Finally, here are the items that you should swap out for better alternatives. Car washing mitts can be a great tool. They come in many shapes and sizes, and they are useful for certain cleaning jobs. However, you're perfectly fine swapping these mitts out for microfiber towels and a standard sponge, which are cost-effective and can be used in a variety of ways, giving you more bang for your buck. Quick tip, since microfiber towels typically come in packs of multiples when washing your car, just keep one aside to use post-wash to dry your car and prevent water spots from forming. Multi-purpose products like a 2-in-1 car wash and wax can be tempting if you're on a time crunch or sticking to a budget. But these 2-in-1 products won't be as effective as an individual wash and an individual wax. Instead, swap out this double-duty product for a dedicated car wash shampoo. Look for a car wash shampoo that is specifically formulated with a neutral pH level, which will dissolve dirt and grime while protecting the exterior of your vehicle. Using a specific single-use product like this will ensure a thorough clean, which is necessary for the application of a separate car wax afterwards. While in theory, you might think a household glass cleaner can be used on your car, the reality is that some cleaners can cause streaking, fogging, and damage, especially if you have tinted windows. It's better to be safe than sorry, so stick to an automotive-specific glass cleaner. Check the ingredient list to find a formula that is ammonia and phosphate-free, which means it can be used on your exterior tinted glass as well as your interior digital screens for a thorough overall clean. And that's everything you should pack, pitch, and swap for your next at-home car wash. What are your must-haves for car washing? Let us know in the comments down below. For reliable, up-to-date automotive advice, reach out to the experts at CAA with a call or an email at the contact info in the description. See you next time on Pack It, Pitch It, Swap It. Now, let's get to washing.